Gather your materials and follow along to make this easy Fruit Loop cereal costume. To make this sweet treat, you need pool noodles in desired colors, a white laundry basket, white banner paper, a knife, box cutter or scissors, a hot glue gun, elastic, and the Fruit Loops logo printed on sticker paper. Start by cutting the bottom out of the basket. Have your child step into the bowl and measure and cut 2 pieces of elastic for the straps. I used hot glue to attach the straps to the inside of the basket. Slice the pool noodles into 1-inch wide rings using your box cutter or knife. I took some banner paper and glued it around the outside of the basket. Make sure to tuck the bottom edges in and secure them with hot glue. Take one of your pool noodles and make it into a circular shape. I used some clear tape to hold that shape. Using hot glue, add the noodle around the inside edge of the basket. Hot glue the sliced noodles to the basket, then continue adding noodles on top. Trim the logo and stick it to the front of the basket. I used the bottom of the basket and some leftover noodles to make a bow. I will have my daughter pair this with jeans and a white top underneath. I hope your kids enjoy this sweet costume. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.